So let's do just a brief update on the Nerves community fleet for the Codebeam Berlin talk here in 2024, coming up October, along with the Nerves workshop. I hope you will be there. But we now have 119 devices, so we're very close to 120. We could actually remove the 30 devices John Carsten stood up all on his own and still be at a very respectable number. If we hit 130, we will be at triple digits without the biggest contributor. All right. This is the fleet. We can even check out the world map. We can see that we have far-flung devices. I think this is Josh Calderamus. We have several across South America now, and I feel like I should just pass some devices down to like the Elixir Kenya folks, because I know we have Elixir devs there, but I'm not sure they actually use Nerves at the moment. But it's a decent spread, and it's really fun to see. And I've been very happy about the response. This community is clearly game to do fun things. And while I'm here, I figured I'd show a little bit about stuff we've changed in NervesHub recently. We've tidied up this table a bit. There's a lot of design work still to come, very exciting design work. But I've tried to tidy this up a little bit. You can now sort by most recently added, so we can see that, and then just filter out on actually connected devices. So let's see, we had one added 16 hours ago, and that was an ARPi-3. Let's look in on it, and we can see that it's in Varna, or near Varna. This is not exact. We can also see that if we look in on one of these devices, it is actually reporting. we should put in the country or something. I'm not a GeoGuessr, but yeah, we can see some stats on this device, and we can also go here, and like this is sort of experimental still. Well, not a lot happening with this device. We can go look at one of John's devices that I've been torturing a little bit. I've only marked one of his devices with his name as a tag. I love this really square gridded map. But if we look back, you can actually see that I put some load on there at various times. I made it do a little bit of machine learning. And yeah, there's a lot of functionality coming to NervesHub around these health metrics. This is just like the starting point. We also now have some niceties like listing the number of devices found, listing the number of devices selected, doing select all. And yeah, a lot more to come. There's also been a number of nice optimizations and tweaks, lots of fixes. So a lot of work happening with NervesHub. And if you've been wondering about NervesHub 2 and when it's going to ship, it has already shipped. There was just never a decision made to start tagging releases. We'll get on that, but I wanted to get that out there. Okay. That's a brief update for the Berlin talk, and also just showing a little bit about what NervesHub can do right now. I should probably make an intro to this at some point and just like, this is setting up NervesHub. Let me know if you're interested.